Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Liana, and today I'm doing that video that has been going around. I'm going to try to recreate somebody else's video. I'm going to try to attempt Leigh Dickson's amazing graphic liner. She is a phenom when it comes to graphic liner, and I am not. So this could definitely go south fast, but I thought it would be fun either way. If it looks terrible, I could just wipe it off afterwards. Because I may or may not be going out after this. So, let's just see how this goes, shall we?
Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Liner,
sharp.
Before we do the video, on our eyeballs.
She's using Tarte Shape Tape as my primer. I've already primed my eyes. I used my own concealer, which is Kat Von D. Translucent powder. I also did that. She's using MAC. I'm not.
And this is going to again keep that eyeliner from transferring or moving about on the eyelid. Next,
foundation and concealer. Again, got that. I don't have makeup forever, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't have any. Well, actually, I've got a mini Kat Von D.
Other people prefer to use a gel liner in a pot.
I'm hoping that this mini Kat Von D has enough product in it. If not, I do have other products that I can use. And of course, mascara, yes. I don't have lashes.
Which is totally optional.
We're not using those, but mascara obviously.
Makes it look a little bit more dramatic. Hello, close. Like I said,
so she's priming her eyes, which I already did. I do have gel eyeliner. I'm gonna try using the Kat Von D like she is. Map it out. Okay, so she's gone and done her her whole eye, and then she's kind of drawn dots. So I think to save the Kat Von D liner for the actual wing, I'm gonna use this E.l.f. Intense Ink eyeliner on the actual lid portion of my eye. I'm starting with my left eye because that's my worst eye. And of course I'm doing this on a day where my eyes are super irritated and I'm going to be blinking a lot. Yay! And she's drawn dots, so...
And then flick it out
in small motions.
Up the line slowly. So if
okay. I'm going to flick it out in small motions. I'm going to try using the Kat Von D eyeliner for that. I had to draw it fairly far out because I know my eye shape and what she's doing with this. I'm going to have to.
And then pull back
down to connect.
I'm filling in
pull
the
back
gaps
down to connect.
Here.
Okay. Okay. Whew.
I'm gonna pull it back.
This is where it gets hard. Go pull it into the.
Everything being perfect. You just want to
gotta pull it into the socket sort of area. And again, my eye shape is very different from hers, so might map that out too. Why not? That's not cheating, right? It's a lot thicker than hers.
Now what I'm thinking I want to do here is like a C shape, you know? So it's like it's like a wave. And then I'll fill in this area.
Yeah, sure. And she's filling that in. And she has to shake hers too. But mine's smaller, so less product. can do it. I believe in you. Come on. You can do this.
Is I take extremely slow and delicate movements and go over those areas where I see issues.
So that's like all of the areas? Go over the areas where you see issues. That's gonna be a lot of areas. Yeah, this thing is starting to not want to do anything now. It's like, I'm small, I didn't sign up for this. It's starting to take product away from there. Okay. Plan B. Let's go back to the e.l.f. liner. How do I do this?
Now I'm going to clean up and sharpen this wing.
Okay, now she's going in with concealer. Well, she's using her foundation
It's
stick.
almost like some people think it's cheating. It's not cheating.
Hopefully this will help this mess.
Then why wouldn't you? This brush is super small. I should show it to you.
I don't have a brush just like that, but I have a few angled brushes and small brushes that should be able to do this.
Slide this along the underside of the wing.
That's not supposed to happen. Oh, this is going so well. So well. Oh man. Well, this certainly is a look. It's nothing like hers, but... Oh my god, it's just smudging it around. It's not cleaning it at all. Oh my god. How are you doing this, Leigh? I'm so sad right now. Oh, there's an ad.
So if you were going to do one color, you
Great.
could just leave it at that, but I'm going to add some white. I think I'll try with this one, the felt.
She has a white
first,
eyeliner. I don't.
Switch into one with a brush.
I have white concealer.
I'll give this one a shot. What I'm
so we
doing
can
is tracing
mess this up even more.
oh, I already messed up. This is so
This should be
hard to do
great.
while I talk. But as I did with the black, I'm moving in super small motion.
Can't get much worse, she said before things got worse. I feel like I can barely see it anyway. And this is why I don't do graphic liner. Oh my god. feel like Homer Simpson right now when he's building that barbecue. It's like, why doesn't mine look like that?
Dries, what I'll be doing is taking the black again, and I'll be sharpening up the space in between where those two shades meet.
The black again.
It seems like it's a lot of
That's not going to save this. Well, some white eyeshadow over top of that white. I want to try something. I'm going to smudge part of this away. I want to try and save this. It's like, God damn it. I can do this. Maybe. Probably not. Well, at least mine has a slightly similar shape to her now. Whereas before it was just too far out. And of course she finishes with mascara
see you again soon on the next video.
And lashes, which I don't use or have. Did I do it? I feel like I can't even do the other side. That was an ordeal. Is it semi-presentable? Oh my god. I don't know how people do this. That's so hard. And I feel like it looks so weird. Well, let me know how you think I did down below, because I feel like I did pretty poorly. But I'm hard on myself, so I hope this was fun to watch at least. Yeah, that was it. It was me trying to do graphic liner and failing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.